Hi guys, this is Marianne and it is now week 9. So whenever you click content, always make sure to scroll down to the correct week and everything from week 8 that's due from October 31st on, I put into week 9. And that includes the essay to second draft. So that is due tonight. That is the rubric. Peer workshop continues this week. Make sure you hop on the discussion board and get a partner. Writing Center reflection is due. This is the document that you would download and write a reflection on after you visit the Writing Center. Walmart photo essay. So thesis statements don't just pertain to written essays, they also pertain to a collection of photographs. And that's exactly what this Walmart photo essay is. And what that means is that the New York Times published a series of photographs that painted a picture collectively. And there was a thesis, there was a main message by specifically including these specific photographs. So what kind of message are they painting about people who stay in Walmart parking lots? What kind of picture are they painting? What's their message? So that is what this week's discussion board is about. It's thesis statements, the message that the photos are trying to portray, or the message the photographer is trying to portray using the photos that he is choosing. Synthesis paper is due as well. You can use any two of these authors and their texts. Essay 2 final draft is due on Sunday at 11:59. Our spruce ups this week is about connotation, and you're going to write 2 different stories. Don't get all in out, they're really easy. And you're going to use all the words from column 1 to write one quick story. And then you're going to write a story using a different story using all the words from column 2. And after you watch this 2.5-minute video on connotations versus denotations, you'll see how column 1 will paint a negative picture. And then you'll see how column 2 will paint a positive picture. That is explained more fully in this video. You'll be also practicing with your writing terms and practicing your common usage. And please reach out if you guys have any questions. Hope you have a great day.